All right, baby, what are we doing today?
I am stripping all of the oregano leaves off of the stems. These are the ones that we picked the other day.
And what are you doing it for?
It's gonna go in a jar for my tincture.
What kind of tincture?
Oregano tincture.
For what?
For me, it's mainly for the antibiotic and antiviral aspect of it. We use it for the chickens, and they're not doing super great. And also, we've given it to the kids before when they were coming down with a cold. Gave it to them, and it didn't make it go away, but it definitely, I think, expedited it and definitely took some time off of it.
You gotta sell it. It definitely made it go away.
But yeah, so we are going to finish this. I'm going to bring it all the way up, and then we're going to top it off with vodka. Cheap vodka, because we use a lot. This is 80 proof. As long as you're 80 proof, at least that's... And I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm not like this aficionado. I'm actually kind of new to this. But that's what's working for us. Just cheap 80 proof vodka. I got 2 more in here.
There you go.
Shake it every day. This one's sage. This will be ready in actually a week and a half. And I leave mine for 2 months. I mean, the longer you leave it. But so this one has like about a month and a half left. But so once it sits for at least 2 months or longer, you strain out all of the plant matter, which I use these nut bags.
What are they?
Nut bags. I got them from Amazon, but you just pour them. Oh, there's still some stuff in there. You pour the stuff through there and you strain it out. Give it a good squeeze. If you have a tincture press, which are like $500, which I don't have, you could probably make something. But you strain it out and then you put the juice back in there, and it's shelf stable for roughly 5 years.
All right.
So, as long as you keep it in a cool, dark place.
Cool, dark place.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we got our quart-sized jar filled basically to the neck of oregano. Put this in the sink. And like I said, I know you could use vegetable glycerin or apple cider vinegar, but we use vodka. So this is 80 proof vodka, and we're just gonna fill it all the way up. Squeeze. It's probably gonna take the rest of the bottle. Basically. So, yeah. And then you just, I cut a Ziploc bag and put it on there with the lid on it so that the lid doesn't rust or whatever. And then you label it and put it in the cupboard, and remember to shake it when you remember. I forget a lot, so I'm actually gonna put some more in there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And then, when it's ready, it'll be super green. Yeah. So that's my input on how to tincture.